Hello everyone, my name is Ira Cloud and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to show you how to do a different type of makeup looks depending on your eye color. So I have brown eyes and you can find a lot of video on my channel with makeup tutorials on how to do your makeup when you have brown eyes. But today I will show you how to do your makeup when you have green and blue eyes. So in order to do that, I'm going to wear lenses and oh my god, sorry. So in order to do that, I'm going to be wearing lenses, and in today's video we are going to try on these lenses right here from the brand called MISLENS. They sent me 5 pairs of lenses to try, and we will try them on and see how it will turn out, and also we will do a makeup tutorial. So if you want to know how to do your makeup for different type of eye colors, then keep on watching. So I will do my face makeup and the eyebrows off camera to save some time, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I did my face makeup and the eyebrows off camera, and now we will try on the lenses. And I'm taking the package with the green one and the blue one. So first I'm going to start off from the green one, and that how they look like. Okay guys, I zoomed you in and it's time to wear the lenses. It's sealed, of course. I'm going to break the seal. I will take off the lenses, and we have this pretty lenses right here. They also send me this little box for the lenses, if we can call it box. Let's try them on. Of course, don't forget to buy a liquid for the lenses and change your liquid every time you wear the lenses. And wear your lenses with clean hands, please. We are opening it up. I will wear both lenses, and then I will leave one green eye and then one blue eye. Oh my god, guys! Now I have 2 different eyes, and comment down below which eye do you prefer, the blue one or the green one. So guys, our goal today is to make your eye color pop. So first we're gonna start off from the blue eye, and I'm going to prime my eyelid using the matte Soft Ochre Paint Pot eyeshadow primer. So guys, today I'm going to use this color circle and the color theory. To make your eyes really bright, you have to use the opposite color on this circle. For the blue eyes, the opposite color is yellow, orangey, and orangey reddish. So for today's video, I'm going to use this Color Fusion Over the Rainbow Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette, and I want to dip into this yellow color right here, and I'm going to tap it on the lid using tapping motions to build up the shape of the eye. There is no fallout at all, so I'm doing my makeup wearing lenses. And I'm starting to build up the shape of the eye. This is going to be our transition shade, so I'm taking it really high up to the eyebrow. I'm doing like sort of cut eye shape of the eye. I'm taking small blending brush and the same color to sort of buff out the edges a little bit. I'm highlighting my brow bone using the Maxi 18 Soft and Gentle highlighter. You can use your favorite highlighter. Now I will take the main lid color, and it is going to be bright orange, and I will pop it on the lid, and this is going to be our main lid color. I'm using also tapping motions, and I'm starting to buff out the edges using the same brush. I'm taking reddish orangey color right here and popping it in the crease to make the crease more bright, and I will blend it together with the yellow color. So now I'm going to do the same thing on the lower lash line, and I'm going to drag the line here on the outer corner to make the cat eye shape. So first I'm taking the previous color, this one right here, the orangey red color, and I'm applying it on the lower eyelid. Also, I'm adding this orange color and this one. And I'm using bright yellow color to buff out the edges a little bit on the lower eyelid, as I did in the crease. And I'm starting to build up the shape of the eye and doing like sort of cat eye shape using the previous colors. For the main lid color, I will take this orangey color and I will apply it on the lid using my fingertips. I will add some red color in the crease to make it more bright. And I will add a little bit of the yellow color on the center of the lid, just like that. Oh my god, I like that. And a little bit on the lower eyelid. I will add some MAC C18 Soft and Gentle Highlighter on the inner corner. Now it's time for the eyeliner, and today I'm going to use the Essence Liquid Ink eyeliner, and I'm going to do cat eye wing and extend the inner corner. So guys, I decided only to make the small wing here on the lash line and extend the inner corner. I'm not going to make the winged eyeliner because I have hooded eyes and I have to hide the wing using black eyeshadow. I want more color on the eyelid, so I will pop my eyelashes now. Alright, for the lashes, I'm going to add this lashes right here from the Scone Heat lashes. These are affordable, and I'm going to add the Colossal Go Extreme Volume Mascara from the Maybelline New York. Let's pop on some lash. I wanted to add some reddish, orangey reddish color, a little bit on the outer corner to make it even more bright. So time for the green eye. This is the green tones. You can use more purplish reddish color to make the green pop. So for the green eye, we have some reddish purplish mood. First, I'm going to start off from this color right here that we dived in previously, orangey reddish color, and it is going to be our transition shade. And I'm going to blend it out using the same brush and soft circular motions. Adding some highlighter on the brow bone. The main lid color is going to be not this purple, but this purplish reddish color. So I will take this purplish reddish color. This is more purple cool tones and this is more warm tones. And I'm going to apply it in the crease using tapping motions. I will take this color right here and I will add it also in the crease and on the lower lash line. It is sort of purplish reddish color. And also I will build up the cat eye shape. And I will blend the lower lash line as I did in the crease using the previous red color. Okay, popping some more purple into the crease and the lower lash line for more pop of color. And the main lid color is going to be this bright red color right here. Shimmer color, of course. Adding some MAC highlighter on the inner corner. Also popping some purplish color on the outer corner. Popping a little bit of the yellowish shimmer from the same palette on the center of the upper and the lower eyelid. Now I'm going to do the wing using the same Essence Liquid Ink Waterproof Eyeliner. And I'm going to pop the lash on. And I'm going to use the Maybelline The Colossal Go Extreme Volume Mascara. So I'm going to do all this stuff off camera and I'll be right back. Alright guys, time for the lips, setting spray and highlighter. First, I'm going to start off with the lips. Today I'm going to do some nude lips, and first I'm going to prime my lips using the MAC Prep and Prime Lip Primer. Then I'm going to line my lips using the Essence Soft and Precise Lip Pencil in the shade 202 My Mind. And as usually, I'm going to do very hardcore overlining. And then I'm going to add matte liquid lipstick. This is Essence Stay 8 Hours Matte Lipstick in the shade 5 Date Proof. I don't like the color. Oh my god, guys, I ended up with this lipstick right here. I like this lipstick more. This is Maybelline Superstay Vanilla Ink in the shade 3, Unrevealed. Shade number 3. Also, I made my lips more sharp using the NYX lip brush number 20, and I carved out my lips using flat brush and concealer. I'm going to add some affordable setting spray. This is the Catrice Oil Control Matte Fixing Spray, and I'm going to add some highlighter from the Catrice Cheek Palette, and I'm going to add these two highlighters right here. And I'm adding the highlighter before the setting spray dry out. Also, you can find the lenses for the cosplay. These lenses are purple. These lenses are anime yandere pink. And these lenses are white mesh. You can purchase these lenses on their website MISLENS.com and use my discount code IRACLOUD20 for 20% off. All the links are going to be in the description box down below. Alright guys, and this is the final makeup look, and you can do your makeup look by using the opposite color of your eye color using the color circle to make your eyes look bright. Also, these lenses by MISLENS are super comfortable to wear, and I have dark brown eyes, and these lenses are hiding my natural color. You can't even understand if I wear lenses. Also, the most important part of these lenses that they are super comfortable. I was testing that, and I was wearing these lenses for 12 to 13 hours, and I feel very comfortable wearing these lenses. If you like these lenses, you can purchase them on their website mislens.com and use my discount code IRACLOUD20 for 20% off. All the links are going to be in the description box down below. So if you enjoyed watching this video, had fun with me, or found it useful, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. That all is IRACLOUD, and see you in my next video. Bye!